Hello, this is Chris from Onyx. In this video, I'll show you how to clear a paper jam on your HP LaserJet Pro 4001 in printer and how to avoid jams from happening in the first place. This printer has only 3 possible locations where your paper can get jammed: the output tray, the rear cover, and the paper tray. Let's check them one by one.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
First, look at the output tray where the paper comes out of the printer. If you see any paper stuck there, gently pull it out and discard it. If the output tray is clear, move on to the next step. Next, check the rear cover at the back of the printer. To open the rear cover, use the handle on the back and pull it gently. To release the paper jam, look for any paper that is stuck inside and pull it out carefully. If you do not find any paper jammed, proceed to the next step. Finally, check the paper tray at the bottom of the printer. Open it and look for any jammed paper. If you find any, remove them carefully and make sure the paper is loaded correctly. Then close the tray back into its place. Make sure to do this last step last, as you could damage some parts pulling the paper out from here. That's it. You have successfully cleared your paper jam. But how can you prevent paper jams from happening in the first place? Here are some tips to help you out. One of the causes of paper jams is the paper tray settings. To check them, pull out the paper tray and adjust the blue tabs to fit the paper size you are using. Make sure they are locked into place. The tabs can be moved to print different types of paper, such as envelopes, cards, and more. But don't go past the max indicator areas on the tabs or your printer may jam. Another cause is the paper alignment. Sometimes the paper in the tray is not aligned properly, or the new paper is not mixed with the old one. This can cause the paper to feed unevenly or stick together. To prevent this, take out all the paper from the tray and put them together with your new paper. Then you're going to want to fan out the paper to remove any condensation that may make the paper stick together. And next, align the edges of the paper so they are even on all sides. Finally, put the paper back in the tray. And make sure it is not too loose or too tight. These steps will help you eliminate some of the paper jams, but not all of them. If you still have frequent paper jams, it may be time to service your printer. Thank you for watching and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.